seem kind of dry. Here, let me put some chapstick. There you go.
Is that fine?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, love you, babe.
Love you, babe. Drive safe.
Babe.
Where's the
babe,
pizza?
I want a divorce.
Why is there pink on my sandwich?
There.
Yeah, okay. Alright, I love you. What? Extremely dry lips, babe. Yeah. Have a good day, babe.
I looked in the mirror, I see my lips are evil. Stop playing around.
You need some crusty, bro. You really needed some chapstick.
Okay, it's a fucking rap.
I love you.
You being some fucking dumbass dude at the store was like, oh, this table's ready for you?
I don't want to take any of your chapstick.
What?